Aloe vera is great for your health and has been used for thousands of years all over the world due to its numerous benefits that have been proven through experience and a wide range of scientific studies. Its leaves give us gel, which can be used externally, and juice, which can be used internally. The gel is especially effective at treating burns, abrasions, psoriasis, and other skin diseases, while the juice is used to detox, stimulate our immune system, and treat gastrointestinal problems. In today's video, we're going to show you another one of aloe vera's qualities, its ability to improve eyesight. This discovery was made by one of the best eye doctors in Russia, Dr. Vladimir Vilatov. Dr. Vladimir was one of the main defenders of the usage of aloe vera to improve vision. Aloe vera stimulates the production of white blood cells, favors the healing of live tissue, and has a protecting effect on the delicate membranes that cover our eyes. In his appointments, Dr. Vilatov prescribed aloe vera to his patients and was ridiculed by the other specialists in his area. Now, we're going to teach you one of his recipes. Ingredients: 100 grams of aloe vera gel, 500 grams of crushed walnuts, 300 milliliters of honey, the juice from 4 freshly squeezed lemons. Instructions: the first thing you need to do is remove the gel from inside the leaf. Wash 1 aloe vera leaf with water. Peel the leaf and remove the gel with a spoon. Mix the gel with the other ingredients. We recommend that you take a spoonful of this remedy 3 times a day, 30 minutes before each meal. Store the mixture in the refrigerator in a dark glass jar to protect it from the light. Do not take more than the daily recommended dose, or you'll risk an allergic reaction. Although this is a natural recipe, there are people that shouldn't use it depending on their circumstances. So if you suffer from acute renal failure, are pregnant, or have heart problems, stay away from this recipe. When in doubt, consult a specialist.